Hello class, welcome back to the Chong channel. So right now we're looking at how to solve for angles formed by intersecting chords, or I like to call them inside angles. Alright, so first let's look at the word problem. So here it says, in the accompanying diagram, AB is the diameter. So if I look here, AB is the diameter. Now, before I continue, this problem is just absolutely beautiful. Circles is like my passion. It's so cute. All right, so first of all, let's look here. If AB is the diameter, if you remember from the other video, a diameter cuts the circle right in the middle. So if the whole circle is 360 degrees all around, that diameter right there cuts it in half, and so each arc is 180. My goodness, this is such a cute problem. I don't know how you feel, but this is so cute. So right now I highlighted it in green, and so let me keep my colors consistent. I'm gonna say this is all 180 degrees. So all of this here is 180. And it's the same for the bottom. So let's keep it consistent. And so all of this is also 180. Right now it looks kind of messy, but soon you'll understand what's going on here. So we didn't even finish reading the problem. Just on the fact alone that this is a diameter, it cuts the circle in half, so each of the arcs is 180. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I can't contain myself. Anyways, all right, so here we have chord CD. So chord CD intersects diameter AB at E. So basically, these are intersecting chords. Diameter is a type of chord. Now it says measure of arc AB, AD is 100. So I labeled this as pink. And so if you look on the side here, I'm trying to keep the colors consistent. So I guess the top arcs are pink. So that's a top arc. So that matches with the bottom arc pink. And now measure of arc AC, that's the one on the side. So I'm keeping those blue. So side is 40 and this would be also blue. And if you notice here, I'm keeping the angle colors consistent. So these blue arcs go with these blue angles, and these pink arcs go with these pink angles. Okay, so we wanted to find the measure of angle DEB, so this angle here. So I put a big question mark because that's the main point of the problem. Well, let's go back to the problem in the beginning. We said this whole arc is 180, but the majority of it, which is in pink, is 100. So in order to find this blue arc, what do? We do 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. So this blue arc here, that's 80. So let me put it here. Look how cute this is turning out. All right, so let's focus. So let's go on to the side right here. So angles formed by intersecting chords. So angles formed by intersecting chords, I like to call them inside angles, whether it be the blue angles or the pink angles. Inside angles are formed by adding the two arcs, then divide by 2. So if I wanted to find either of these two angles, they're vertical, so they're congruent. So if I wanted to find these inside angles, it would be add the intercepted arcs divided by 2. Or if I wanted to find either of these pink angles, since they're vertical, they're congruent. So if I wanted to find them, it would be add the intercepted arcs divided by 2. So likewise, let's look at this angle here. So they're open sideways. So we're focused only on the blue now. All this other colors, just forget about it for now. And so if I wanted to find this inside angle, so let's write inside angle, it's going to be equal to add the intercepted arcs, then divided by 2. So that inside angle I'm looking for is measure of angle DEB. I'm going to add the arcs that it's opening up to. So the two arcs that it opens up to is 40 and 80. So let me write that down. 40 plus 80. So those are the intercepted arcs. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So 40 plus 80, that's 120. Divided by 2, that's 60. So the measure of angle DEB is 60 degrees. So going back to the picture, measure of angle DEB, that is 60 degrees. So we're done with the problem. Wasn't that so exciting? The most exciting part was actually in the beginning. It was like a major clue. A diameter cuts the circle in half, and so to know that all of this was 180, that helped us to find one of these arcs, which we used in the formula. Wasn't that great? Okay, so until I see you next time, I hope that helped. Bye-bye.